Guys, came in today, Sacramento Chart of India. Let's go inside and try their buffet. I got a butter chicken, curry chicken, and rice. Let's try now. Butter chicken is good. The food does not look like fresh, but taste okay. Waiting for my naan. Let's try curry chicken now. Looks good. Good flavor. Order my butter naan. I don't know, bro. Looks like raw. Let's try. Ready for you? Naan is okay, not crispy. Look like all raw. Let's order mango lassi. Let's try. It's okay, not bad.
How much you give?
I'll give you actually on a 6.
Okay. Not bad. How much you give the naan?
Naan, bro, I give 5.
Okay.
Butter chicken is good. I give butter chicken 9. I'm waiting for my garlic naan. The food is cold, it's not even, it's like a warm, not hot. I'm gonna bring another plate now. Let's try vegetarian items. Alright, this is my vegetarian plate. Plain naan, saag, dal, malai kofta, and plain rice. And this is fish pakoda.
That's not vegetarian.
What's my spoon at? Try fish. No flavor. Like a flat. I don't know why it's yellow, but no flavor. Let's try naan, dal. Okay, not bad. Saag is okay too. Not too much flavors, but that's fine. Thank you. Malai kofta is good. Good flavor, good taste. Compare of dal and saag, malai kofta is better. I ordered garlic naan. I don't know why they put on the garlic naan.
Haldi.
To be honest, for the garlic, for the naan, I really give them like a 3. Yeah, all soggy, raw, you know. I don't know what they put on the top. I'm gonna bring butter chicken. I'm gonna try with this. I think food looking good, but it look like not fresh. Butter chicken. That's curry chicken. Looks good, but looking not fresh.
Thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, I have garlic naan. Let's try butter chicken with garlic naan. I don't know why it's yellow, but butter chicken is good flavor. Better with the garlic naan. Curry chicken. It's good. Good, not bad. The goat curry. Honest, I don't like naan. That's good. Not too much flavor. Goat should be with a lot of flavors. This is good, honest.
Say again.
For the service, I can give like a 9. Alright guys, I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I gave 10 of honest, 6. Thank you so much for watching.
How is everything?
एक बर्फी एक मैंगो
Just one,
हाँ जी
just one, one,
हाँ जी
बाकी रोल नहीं करना.